Here with an update on our morning. It's been a hectic night, but there is hope down the line.
Yeah, things look a little sloppy right now, but a few hours from now we're going to be back into sunshine and in a very mild scenario. Now watch the time lapse. You had a little rain developing last evening, but you see a transition from rain to snow. There's our Lewis Donato camera looking to the south. You see the rain at first, then after about 11 o'clock we start seeing snow accumulate on the camera lens. A little snow on the landscape as well, and by around 1 or 2 o'clock it was just fog as the snow came to an end. Right now sloppy pavement, wet conditions, but a lot of that snow is already melted. 2/10 of an inch, about a quarter of an inch overall at the airport officially from last night, but here in the north end of town 8/10 of an inch. But most of that again has already melted. 32 right now looking southward from South Broadway. That's our Lewis Donato camera. With that fog now developing, we do have that as also a concern on the roads because of that reduced visibility. Rochester, a quarter of a mile of visibility. Austin now a quarter of a mile, but 1 mile, little improvement there in the past few minutes anyway in Dodge Center. Winona 4 miles, same situation in Mason City, just a little light fog there. Some fog and low clouds here, looking through that low bank of clouds from our Lewis Donato camera from the studio. Certainly looking extra murky as we look to the north along Highway 52. It's 32 right now. 26 the wind chill. Really not much wind right now. There really won't be much at all today. Winds northwest now, and later on they'll turn more to the south. That's going to help us boost those temperatures with late day sunshine back into the mid and upper 40s across the map. We start the day at a mild level already this morning, certainly for March standards. 32 right now in Rochester. The average low this time of year is around 22, so we're doing pretty well in that regard. 32 in Winona, 34 in Osage, Albert Lee, 34. Clouds right now in place, still break up in time as we move into the late morning and afternoon. There goes the rain and snow now toward Milwaukee, Sheboygan, up toward Door County. But right now, gray skies in place. We'll have big gaps developing in the clouds around lunchtime. Have a few hours of sun. But already we see the clouds spilling into the region ahead of another storm system that's going to move quickly in from the west in this fast-paced pattern. That one will bring us a chance of rain by very, very late tonight. Mainly a morning rain event for tomorrow with that system as it brings a cold front into the area. But ahead of that front, push of warmth today and tonight helps us reach the 40s. Even tomorrow, 40s with that front moving through and then cooler air coming in behind that for Friday and the weekend. 32. That morning commute holding steady. Slick roads, certainly a concern of that melting and potential refreezing, at least in a few spots of that slushy snow. Cloudy but mild for this time of the year. 32, a light breeze. We see those winds turning more to the south. Gradual clearing. Bright late day sunshine helps us reach the mid 40s, topping out around 46 and staying around 40 right through tonight. If you imagine such a thing. A very mild night by seasonal standards for this time of the year anyway. 5 right now in International Falls, 23 in Halleck, but looking into the west, you see some of that milder air begin to work its way back in already. So even though one cold front is moving through, not a lot of really cold air behind it. 40 now in Waterloo, Oskaloosa 42. Weather Almanac, 22 the typical low. Average high 38. We're going to blow right past that pretty quickly with just a gentle south breeze and bright sunshine. Futurecast watching one storm system move out of here. Cold front looks like it's going to swing through the area later tomorrow. We'll have some shower chances with that for the morning and maybe midday hours. Some gaps of the clouds in the afternoon. Plenty of late day sun beyond that. A breezy day, southwest winds and then west winds at times 30 miles per hour, and a breezy, chilly but dry Friday. Rain chances ahead of us. Rain tomorrow. Best chance of rain we'll see all week. Spotty shower too Saturday, and small doses of rain and possibly some very light snow showers Monday and Tuesday of next week. Average high this time of the year, upper 30s. We're going to be doing better than that more often than not, but still definitely more seasonable weather in the longer run. Definitely a departure from what we're going to be seeing today. Very mild temperatures for this time of the year. 46 in Rochester, Austin 49. 51 in Charles City. Fog, then some sunshine later on, a light south breeze. 46 again. 39 tonight, a mild night, a breezier night with south winds kicking in late up to 20 miles per hour. Rain about 4 or 5 in the morning, so well after midnight. Rain tomorrow morning, maybe until about 1 or 2 in the afternoon. Then some sun, and Friday, breezy sunshine. It's a spotty shower to Saturday, and maybe a little bit of rain. A couple of wet snowflakes for St. Patrick's Day next Tuesday. Still at that point, not necessarily a big weather maker, so we're not going to have too many issues for the parade of pubs for us next Tuesday for St. Patrick's Day, but definitely a little chillier than I think we would prefer with only 30s next week.
Okay, we are looking forward to improvement throughout the day, though.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Jen.